Weather with 27 Storm Track's Katherine Noel.
Welcome back, everyone. Within the last 30 minutes or so, we started seeing sunshine finally in Madison. 37 right now. It feels like 31. This is a very mild start to the day, but it is much cooler. What you'll feel when you step outside, you'll feel the 20s, the mid-20s for the most part. Lone Rock, though, the lone soul of 30 degrees right now. Here's a look at Doppler radar showing the wintry precipitation in some areas pushing on in from Minneapolis. We will get this heavier band of snow. I think Hinckley area is going to get hit with this next. What we're dealing with is this wet, heavy snow. So here's a look at the snow. We're getting a lot of slush on the roads, and that is one of the major impacts that we're seeing because it is in wet snow. So this is what drivers are dealing with. They're just dealing with very wet conditions out there. It's really not all that bad. I mean, take it easy, of course. The wet roads are never a great, condition to be driving on, but we've definitely had worse off this winter. I think we're pretty much on the lighter end of this snow. The worst conditions were really this afternoon. That's when we had a lot of visibility issues. The snow came down quick and accumulation started, slushy accumulations then. At this point, we're really just wet though. So that is good news. We could be dealing with some freezing rain later on tonight. That would be my next big worry, the refreeze. And John's going to have you covered on that. Back to you.
All right, Katherine, thank you very much.
It's snowing, and that continues. So it's causing extra issues because even after those plows continue to get rid of that snow, the blowing and drifting just continues. Here's a look at the snow. It's light, it's powdery, it is fluffy. We have these gusty winds, so it's really just blowing and drifting all across. That's why we're seeing these different levels. What that's doing, it's really letting us pull in this warmer air, right? So we're getting all the warm air from Rapid City, Grand Island, Sioux Falls, Des Moines. They're in the 40s. Even when we switch to that southerly flow, pulling in the 50s in some areas. Kansas City, St. Louis. I mean, by no means are we going to get to the 50s. I think we stay in the 40s, but still, this is why we are starting to feel these warmer temperatures. What a difference a week makes. Here's a look at radar. More snow on the way, just some rain off to that southeast corner, so more so Rock and Walworth County. The rest of us are going to get some heavier batches of snow, though. We did have a little bit of a break overnight, but it does continue throughout the afternoon, I believe. So here's a look at future track, what we can expect. There's that heavier batch of snow, how you can tell that darker color there sitting over Madison. So I think we could see about an inch or two more of snow already added on to whatever you have waking up this morning. That continues and starts to clear out, moving eastward, northeast throughout the afternoon. I think by 2, we just see those cloudy conditions, which continues through the night, obviously, until the sun sets. And then we wake up with drier weather tomorrow. We're bringing in some of that warmer weather from Kansas City, Wichita, St. Louis, Kansas City 52 in December that day. But then we really take a major change happens, a big dip in temperatures because we get an Arctic blast. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Cold, cold air coming from Canada. Look at International Falls, what they could experience Thursday morning, -7 degrees. We'll be in the teens likely, and that will continue for Christmas. How much snow? Anywhere from a trace to about 5 inches. I think that very southwest corner could even see an isolated 6, but that sweet spot, most of us are going to see 2 to 3. Your extended forecast shows we're going to get back in the swing of things after this snow. Tuesday, we start to dry off, maybe another chance of some rain snow mix possible on Thursday. But we then are dry and sunny on Friday. The weekend looks great. Back to the 50s. Can you believe the 43 today?
I cannot. I see we both wore our spring colors. We were that excited.
We're ready for it. Less than a month to go.
Yeah.
I bet we'll be seeing people with shorts today.
Oh, no doubt. It's Wisconsin. What else would you expect?
Nothing else.
Nope. All right, Katherine, thank you.